Here we see about prophylaxis and vaccination of rabies. These prophylaxis have three categories: category 1, 2 and 3. First category, type of exposure, touching or feeding of animals, licks on intact skin. Recommended prophylaxis, no treatment need if history is reliable. That means the history of animal okay means no risk, so don't take any treatment. Then category 2, this one is minor risk, when minor scratches or abrasion without bleeding or nippling of uncovered skin. What will do? Wound management, rabies vaccine, observe the dog for 10 days. So category 2, minor risk, scratches or abrasion without bleeding, we will follow that wound management, then we will take rabies vaccine. Third category is major risk, because single or multiple bite with oozing of blood, leaks on broken skin or mucous membrane, bite by wild animal or bat. What will do? Wound management, rabies immunoglobulin. This one is faster method than rabies vaccine. Observe the dog for 10 days. So this one is category. Third one is risk factor, because of multiple bite, oozing of blood, leaks on broken skin. So we must follow wound management, rabies immunoglobulin. We will take this one is faster method than rabies vaccine. Both this category 2 and 3, we observed the dog for 10 days. That animal okay means no issue, healthy means no issue. Then local wound care. First method, physical cleaning. Wash thoroughly with soap, water and irrigation. Then second one is chemical inactivation. Antiseptic like bovitone, iodine and alcohol we are using. Third method is biological neutralization, immunoglobulin locally or intramuscular, around the wound or intramuscular. Then deviate tissue should be depleted. Then tetanus infections also prevented. Then suture, don't suture, it will push virus deep. So local wound care method, we must follow physical cleaning, that means thoroughly wash with soap, water and irrigation. Second method is chemical interaction. Antiseptic like bovitone, iodine and alcohol we are using. Biological method, this one will neutralize that virus. What kind of biological treatment we are using? Immunoglobulin, where we will give around wound or intramuscular. Then tetanus prophylaxis, antibiotic. Then don't do suture. Then rabies immunoglobulin. Two type of vaccination is there: passive immunization and active immunization. Passive immunization, passive means ready-made antibodies available. This one where we will give around wound or intramuscular. These antibodies bind with the rabies virus and neutralized biologically. So why where we will give around wound or intramuscular? What it will do? Bind with rabies virus and neutralized biologically. Two type of vaccines are available: equine rabies immunoglobulin, ERIC, we get from horse. Side effect or more, it will cause serum sickness. Second one is human rabies immunoglobulin, HRIC. This one not much that side effect. So passive immunization, two type of immunoglobulin available. First one is equine rabies immunoglobulin, ERIC. It have more side effect. So we refer human rabies immunoglobulin HRIC. This one not much side effect. Second one is active immunization. Here we must follow cell culture derived vaccines. Three different type of vaccine is there. First one is purified chick embryo cell, PCEC vaccine. We will get from chicken piproplast cell line. Second one is purified Vero cell vaccine, PVC. Vero means monkey kidney cell. Third one is human diploid cell, HTC vaccine. Human fatal lungs piproplast cell line, where we will get from human embryonic lungs piproplast cell line. We will get this one. So third one is second vaccination method, active immunization method. You have three types. First one is we get from chick embryo cell line. Second one is purified Vero cell line, that means from monkey cell line. Third one is human diploid cell. So vaccination, two type of vaccination is there, passive and active. Passive immunization we will give equine rabies immunoglobulin, human rabies immunoglobulin. This one have more side effect, so we will use this human rabies immunoglobulin. Then active immunization, purified chick embryo cell, purified Vero cell vaccine, human diploid cell vaccines.